Hi guys, I hope you guys doing good today. Today I have my lunch, green curry from Thai cuisine with a tom yum soup. Let's eat. So this is the green curry. I have the chicken. This is the chicken. They have the red pepper, green pepper, and bamboo shoot. I make it super Thai spicy. I always like it spicy. And this is the soup. Let's try. Let's get a little bit of the bamboo shoot and the chicken. Get the rice. Now this will be the perfect bite. Look at it. Let's eat. The green curry, a little bit sweet but not too sweet, spicy to give you the kick, and the chicken is so soft, melt in your mouth, and the bamboo shoot tastes perfectly in your mouth, match with the chicken and the pepper. This is the lunch that I can eat it every day. It's so good. Now let's try the soup. Here's the soup. The mushroom. The soup tastes so refreshing. It's the perfect combination with the curry. This is the type of curry that you can eat every day, anytime, anywhere. Green curry is the best one for me. Eat it with warm rice. It's heaven on earth. Thank you guys for watching. I hope I'll see you on my next lunch. Bye.